I'm Dave, you're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. I got a great episode for you today. Look, the summer's almost here. Maybe it's already there where you are by the time you're seeing this. Maybe it's summer where you are all the time. I don't know where you are. In fact, comment, where are you? I'm very interested to find out. Anyway, back to the episode. We're talking about buffalo chicken pasta salad. Oh my God. And it's easy to do, and I got a hack too that's gonna make it even easier. So let's get right into it. So like all my other episodes, I like to get everything together and prepped and ready to go. It just makes everything so much quicker. It's quicker for you, so you can get all the content all at once, nice and streamlined, easy. So I got everything all set up. So let's take a look at what we're gonna need. For our dressing, we need 3/4 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream or plain Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of Frank's hot sauce. We have 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing mix, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And the other ingredients are 16 ounces of penne pasta, 2 to 3 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken. We got 1.5 cups of diced up celery. We got 1 cup of shredded carrots. We got 1/2 cup of green onions sliced up thin. And we got 1/2 cup of blue cheese crumbles. Now, like all my other videos, everything is down in the description below. The amounts, the recipes, a little bit of a backstory, a link to my Amazon homefront page. So go check all that stuff out if you need to. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna build our dressing. Piece of cake. We got our mayonnaise going in. Should probably have my spatula for this. Mayonnaise in. Sour cream going in. Frank's going in. Ranch dressing mix. This is exactly 1 packet, so that works out really nice. Just grab yourself a Hidden Valley Ranch packet. We got our lime juice going in. We got our garlic and pepper going in. And that's it. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a nice whisk, because we're gonna combine all these together. It's that easy. Could you have gone and grabbed a bottle of ranch dressing and put a little Frank's in it? Of course you could. But this was easy, right? Just, impress your friends. I got something to show you that's super easy. Dressing done. Set that aside. Big bowl. Now, all we're doing now is we're just gonna throw everything else in. Geez, I'm actually hoping this bowl is big enough. It's the biggest glass bowl I have. Well, let's give it a shot. We got our penne going in. This is an entire pound. There we go. Did that make it to the sink? Chicken. Now, this is 2.5, 3 cups, whatever, however much chicken you want to make, but this equals 1 rotisserie chicken. I mean, seriously, what's easier than that? For $5, I got this huge rotisserie chicken, stripped it down, diced it up, and this is what you get. How easy was that? Chicken is going in. Celery goes in. Shredded carrots. I don't know, this kind of looks like a lot. Going in. Oh, what is this little... Get out of here. Get out of here, bad carrot. Scallions going in. Blue cheese crumbles. I'm kind of just going to wait to the end until I can at least mix this up a little bit. I'm just going to give this a quick little toss before I even try to get my dressing in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, so quick and simple and easy. Our mix. Look at that. My camera guy's gonna be real impressed with that. I'm just kidding. There's no camera guy. It's a quiet Saturday. It's just me. Me and the dogs, that's all. They are hanging out in the other room because it is nasty outside today. It's in the lower 50s. It's raining. It's windy like crazy. I don't know. When's the summer coming? I don't know. Should be here already. Close enough. And look at that. Mix these ingredients together. Now's when I like to go in. Blue cheese crumbles. Now, sometimes fresh blue cheese crumbles can get a little aggressive, at least for me. The flavor kind of just punches me in the face, so, I mean, leave it out. Put in a little bit. Put in more if you love it. And suddenly, in probably under 5 minutes, give it half an hour with all the prep. Give it 40 minutes because you got to cook the pasta too. Cook your pasta ahead of time. Get it al dente because it is going to cook a little bit more as it sits there. I like to drain it. I like to hit it with a little bit of oil, kind of toss it around so it doesn't stick, set it aside, finish doing whatever else you got to do to get ready, and then just whip it together. I'm telling you. You take this to a party, cookout, barbecue. So easy. You just say, hey, can we bring something? And they say, yeah. And then you catch them with buffalo chicken pasta salad. How's that? And they're like, oh my God, can you do that? And you're like, sure. That's what you're gonna bring. Let's just taste it. Make sure we don't need to add anything else. Got some pasta, we got some chicken, got a little bit of everything. Whoa. Just take a look at how delicious this buffalo chicken pasta salad is. And I mean, it tastes even better than it looks. And it's so easy to do. I can't even stop eating it, it's so good. So thanks for watching all the way to the end. Do me a favor, shoot me a comment, like the video so it gets out to more people. Certainly hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell too. That way every Monday at 4 o'clock when I put on an episode, boom, you'll be the first to know. So like, subscribe, shoot me a comment. YouTube's got this other video right over here that they want you to check out, so check that out. And when you're done doing all that, go cook something.